Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Mask Maven for November. Do you want to see what's in my bag? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so my November Mask Maven just made its way. I normally get this with the Beauteque monthly, and when they sent my email confirmation, it was only for the Mask Maven. So I went and I actually checked my account online, and apparently both of my subscriptions have expired with this company and a lot of companies. I tried to choose the gift option so it doesn't auto renew me when I can't remember, because I get so many different boxes. So I completely forgot that my subscription had ended. So you guys, let me know down below in the comment section if you do want me to renew both of these, or one of them, or none of them, whichever. Let me know, because I definitely want to keep bringing content that you want to see, but I don't want to keep having you guys waste your time or mine if it's something you don't want to see. So just let me know what you want me to do with this one. But as of now, this is my last one currently, unless I resubscribe. So here's the Mask Maven. It always comes in this envelope right here. I did tear off my mailing label. And when you open these up, they're always in a little bag. Okay, so once you open it up, this is what is down inside. The whole entire time I've always got purple bags. So they're always in these bags that I do reuse for different things. And when you open it up, so the theme for this month is right here. It says powered by charcoal. So that would have been the theme for both of them. Now, when you get the Mask Maven, it doesn't go over pricing for the masks, but it does go over each individual mask and why they chose it and the key points for that specific mask. So let's go ahead and just go through these, because they're skincare face masks. So this one right here is Age Defying Collagen Mask. Here's a Charcoal Deep Purifying Peel Off Mask. So that one's actually a peel off, not a sheet mask. Here's a Moisturizing Essence Mask. Charcoal Pearl Bubble Mask. I love the bubble masks. It's so neat just to have your face all bubble up. It reminds me of Mrs. Doubtfire when he puts his head in the pie. Hello! I always do that when I have it all bubbled up. But you know. Here's charcoal. And charcoal. This one's actually pretty packaging with all the little flowers around it. And charcoal. And charcoal. And charcoal. What do you know? With the theme being charcoal, what was it? Powered by charcoal, then everything in here is all charcoal. So the beauty box would have been that same theme. So I don't know what items would have been in it, but I'm sure every one of them probably has something to do with charcoal. So that is everything. Short, sweet, simple video for you guys. That is the masks that came in this particular month. You can comment down below, let me know, do you like charcoal? Do you like charcoal, or do you like charcoal? If you want to know a little bit more about the Mask Maven, this is $15 a month if you do month to month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $14. If you do 12 months, it brings it to $13, and shipping is in addition. So K-Beauty mask lovers, rejoice. You'll receive 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door every month. It may also contain wash-off masks, eye, lip patches, hair masks, and more. And again, that starts as low as $13 if you do the full year, or $15 if you do month to month, shipping additional. If you want to know about Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box is $24 a month if you do month to month, $23 if you do 6 months, and $22 if you go to 12 months. And on that one, shipping is in addition as well. That one, you will be getting 6 full-size products delivered to your door monthly, receive an assortment of skincare, makeup, body and hair care, and much more. And that one, you normally always get 1 mask. So that's why I started with that one first. So I would always at least get 1 mask, and it could be anything. We've gotten them for the booty, the girls. We've gotten them for our hands, our face, our neck. Like, we get so many different odd masks in there. Again, that's why I started with that one. So I would have a mask and I would have skincare as well. And then I started grabbing this one to show you guys both of them. So again, comment down below. Let me know if you do want me to resubscribe to one of them, both of them, or none of them. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.